Hello everyone, I am here with my next video of universal logic gates. Actually, universal word you all know, we can create anything from these gates. These are the two gates from which we can create anything, any logic circuit, anything we can create by using NAND gate and NOR gate. These are few universal gates. And see the definition of universal gates. Actually, universal gates are the logic gate which is used to create any combinational circuit. Means we can design any circuit, we can design any expression, we can design any boolean function, we can design any gates from these universal gates. And NAND and NOR are both the gates which are known as universal gates. We can send anything from NAND or we can send anything from NOR as input, and we are getting any gates from universal gates as output. We can create anything. And see the demo of NOT. I'm showing you simple gate. First of all, the simplest gate I am showing you by using NAND and NOR. But you have to remember the Boolean laws, because in this video we have to use Boolean laws. If you don't remember Boolean laws, go and watch the video of Boolean laws. Try to remember it and then go for universal gates. And see, I told you earlier the role of NOT gate. The NOT gate is only gate which accepts one input and produce one output, which is the negation of input. And we have to create a dash from a. How? In our universal gates, we are having input two or more than two times. But in NOT gate, input is produced only one time. See, what will happen? What we have to do then? In NOT, we have to send only one input. But in NAND and in NOR, we are having two and more than two. Then what we have to do? We have to send one signal and we have to spread that signal into two parts. And then we have to send it with the gate. We are sending input into two parts. A and A again we are sending, because in NOT we are having only one signal, that is A. We have to send A two times, so that the role of NAND gate to accept two or more signal, we are going to apply it with this formation. See, the formation is we are sending single input, but NAND require two or more than two. That's why we are spreading that single input into two parts. And then we are sending it through NAND gate. See what happened? NAND produce A dot A whole dash. And by idempotent law, A dot A is A. And then we are getting A dash. Means we are producing not by NAND. And see the same thing. Sending one input and then splitting that input into two parts. And we are sending it through NOR gate. And NOR gate produce A plus A whole dash. And by using idempotent law, A plus A is equals to 8. That's why we are getting A dash. means one input, one output, one input, one output. See, the funda is same, and we had done it by using NAND and NOR. And you have to remember this funda because we have to use all these things further. See the next one, AND gate. AND gate by universal gate I am going to create. But first of all, we have to think what is the role of AND gate. Accepting two or more than two inputs. We are sending two or more than two inputs. AND gate always provides us output by providing dot in between our inputs. And see, this we have to create by NAND gate first of all. I'm using NAND gate first of all, and then by NOR. See, A and B I am sending the same thing what we have earlier, the same thing, no changes. And see, when we are sending it through NAND gate, the output of NAND gate is A dot B whole dash. But our NAND provide us dash, and in our AND we don't have any dash. We have to remove that dash from A dot B, and we have that answer what we want. How we are going to remove that dash, whole dash, how we are going to remove? If we send the same expression two times through NAND gate, what will happen? The same thing we are getting two times with whole dash. And when we are having same thing two times, we can write it one time by using idempotent law. See, that's why I had written one time. Whole dash. By involution, dash dash will be cancelled. And then we are getting A dot B. See, in this way we can create our AND gate with the help of NAND gate. We are having the same answer but with dash. We have to remove this dash. Then what we have to do? Again we have to send one more dash, so that dash will be cancelled. The same thing I had applied here by sending one signal by splitting into two parts. This way you can use it. And then see the next one, AND gate by NOR gate. Something different we are having. AND always provides us dot, but NOR provides us plus with whole dash. Something different we are having. How we are going to convert this plus into dot, and we have to remove the dash? How? Some tricks we have to apply. But remember one law we are having, who converts plus into dot and dot into plus. That is De Morgan's law. We have to apply De Morgan's law, so then we are able to convert plus into dot. And now what we have to do? How we are going to convert and how we are going to apply De Morgan's law? That's why a small trick I had written here. Small trick. You all know dash to the power dash means we are using A dash whole dash, A dash whole dash means what? Dash dash cancelled means we can write A is equals to A dash whole dash. We can write this. Same funda I am applying here. We are having A dot B. I am negating A dot B with again one more negation, because when we are cutting it, we are getting A dot B. Both are same thing. I can write in this way or in this way. Both are same thing. See? And I can write the center one in this way. It is De Morgan's law. And if by NOR gate we can create A dash, B dash, and then we are sending A dash, B dash from NOR gate, then we are getting plus and dot, plus and dash. See, the funda I'm using, I'm creating A dash from NOR, B dash from NOR, and then I am sending A dash and B dash from NOR, then I am getting plus and dash. See, from this I had created this. First of all, we have to find A dash. See, A I had provided in 2 times. We have to send A 2 times because NOR also a kind of a gate which accept 2 or more than 2 inputs. We have to create A dash. I told you earlier how we are going to create, not the same funda I'm using. See, previously I told you the same funda I'm using for creation of A dash and for creation of B dash. I had created this, and then I want plus and dash. That's why I'm sending A dash and B dash, and then NOR will provide me A dash plus B dash whole dash. Then what happened? I can write A dash plus B dash in this format, A dot B whole dash. Why? Because it is De Morgan's law. Again we are having whole dash. See here, and dash dash will be cancelled, and we are getting A dot B. In this manner you have to create these gates. Anything in the paper you are getting, any expression you are getting, you have to create it by NAND or NOR. See the next one. OR gate by universal gate means presently I am showing you OR gate by NAND gate. Again the same funda. OR provide me plus and NAND provide me dot with whole dash. Again I want De Morgan's law because I have to convert plus into dot. Again the same thing I had written. One trick in front of you. What is that trick? I can write A plus B dash whole dash. Again I am using whole dash because dash dash will be cancelled and we are getting A plus B. Both are same thing. Same thing I had written here. I can write A plus B in this format. Nothing happened because dash dash will be cancelled. And see the center part, I can write it in this way because it is De Morgan's law. A plus B whole dash is equals to A dash dot B dash. It is De Morgan's law. I can write in this way also. And if we can create A dash dot B dash from NAND gate, A dash from NAND gate, B dash from NAND gate, then NAND always provides us dot with dash. NAND can provide us dot with dash. That's why we have to create A dash, C in this way, B dash in this way, and then we have to pass both of them by NAND gate again. Then NAND gate provides us A dash dot B dash whole dash. And see what happened? This one is De Morgan's law, means A plus B whole dash, then again we are having one more dash. See here, dash dash will be cancelled and we are getting a plus b. See, I had written here with the laws also. I had already mentioned the laws. When we are using involution, when we are using De Morgan's, in C, we had created OR with NAND by using a simple trick. You have to remember that trick. And see what happened next. OR gate by NOR gate. NOR always provides us plus with dash and OR provides us only plus. We have to remove that dash. How we are going to remove? See, the answer we are having with dash, we have to remove that dash. That's why we are sending it 2 times. When we are sending the same thing 2 times, by idempotent right, we can write it 1 time. And with the help of involution law, dash dash will be cancelled. We are getting the same thing. Whenever we have to remove dash, then you have to use the same trick. Whenever we have to remove dash, then just remember, if you are creating one more dash here, then dash dash will be cancelled. That's why we are passing it again through NOR gate, so that we are getting one more dash here. And then dash dash will be cancelled and we are getting the same thing. Just remember few things and you are capable to do any circuits. See the next one. And NAND, if we want to create NAND by universal gate, then we are having NOR for creating it. And for creating NOR, for creating NAND by NOR, what we have to do? Both are having the different things. One is having dot with dash, another one is having plus with dash. Then again some issues we are having with dot and plus. Then again remember, De Morgan's law is applied whenever dot and plus combination is there. Then what we have to do? We have to convert this to this. Directly funda. Nothing we have to do. Just we have to create this part and we are getting this one. This one is easy for us. How we are going to create A dash? Yes, it is possible to create A dash. How to create B dash? It is possible to create B dash. And then I am sending it with the NOR gate. What I am getting? This A dash plus B dash whole dash. And I don't want that whole dash. Then again I am sending it 2 times. Then what happened? The same thing written 2 times. Idempotent law says we can write it 1 time. And again we can apply involution law. Dash dash will be cancelled. And we are getting A dash plus B dash. And I told you earlier that A dash dot B dash can be written as A dot B whole dash. Means it is applied by using De Morgan's law. We are getting our answer. See, in this way you have to write in your paper also. Everything you have to mention what I am creating. See the next one. Now I am going to create NOR by NAND. Same funda again you have to apply. The same trick, De Morgan's law. Again we have to produce plus dash from dot dash. Means we have to produce NOR by NAND. What we have to do now? The same thing, we have to apply De Morgan's law. Because De Morgan's always provides us dot and plus combination. Then, If we are able to create a dash dot b dash, then everything is possible. That's why we had created a dash, we had created b dash, and then we are sending a dash and b dash from NAND gate. We are getting whole dash of a dash dot b dash, and we don't want that whole dash. I want to remove that dash. Then what I have to do? Again, I have to provide one more dash so that dash will be cancelled. See what I've done? The same thing I've done again. I'm sending it 2 times. Then what happened? Same thing is written 2 times. And idempotent law says we can write it 1 time. That's why I'd written 1 time. And again we are facing one issue that we have to cancel dash with dash. Again, our involution law says us we can cancel dash with dash. We are getting a dash dot b dash, and I told you earlier a dash dot b dash is a plus b whole dash. That is De Morgan's law. We are getting our expression. See the next one, XOR. We have to create XOR by NAND. And see, in this we have to concentrate on the equation what XOR provides us. XOR provides us a formula that is a dash dot b plus b dash dot a. We have to concentrate on that formula only, because we have to create this expression only by NAND gate. Now, how we are going to create it by NAND gate? First of all, we have to concentrate on a dash. How? We had done it with this. We are having a dash. Then we have to concentrate on b dash. We had created b dash. Then we have to combine a dash with b. A dash we are having. We have to combine it with b. Then see, b dash we are having. See, here we are having b dash. This one. B dash we are having. We have to combine it with a. See, we are going to combine it with a. Then from NAND gate we are getting a dash dot b whole dash a dot b dash whole dash. These expressions we are getting. Then we want a dash dot b dash dot a, but we don't want whole dash. We have to remove this whole dash. How we are going to remove that whole dash? And we want plus here. In between both of them we want plus. But NAND always provides us dot. Then again we have to apply some De Morgan's law. Then only we are getting plus sign. See what we have to do. This expression we are sending it by NAND gate. What will happen? First thing, second thing, with dot, with whole dash. See the same thing I had written. Then I'm using De Morgan's law. I'm applying this. See what will happen. Whole dash what I had written here, the last one, whole dash, is splitted and it is present inside it. See, in this way something is written a dash dot b dash, wait, in this, see, if I'm having a dash dot b whole dash, then again I'm having dash. We can cancel it. That's why I'm applying involution law, and I'm getting this one. If this expression is complicated for you, then try to write in your copy and try to apply De Morgan's law on. and then you are able to get what I want to say. If it is complicated, I want to tell you again. See, I'm using these. See, a dash dot b whole dash. I am sending this with NAND gate. Then what happened? Dot with the next expression. Next expression is a dot b dash whole dash with dash with the help of NAND gate if I'm using. And for this square bracket whole dash, I'm using De Morgan's law. Then what happened? When I'm applying De Morgan's law, this one is A and this one is B. Means A dot B whole dash I am applying. Formula of A dot B whole dash is A dash plus B dash. The same funda I am using here. This one is A for me and this one is B for me. A dash dot B whole dash. Again dash is coming because see, A dash means this one is A for us and this one is dash, plus again I'm using B. B is A dot B whole dash. A dot B dash to whole dash, again whole dash. And then I am applying involution law. Then see, dash dash will be cancelled. The expression what we are having in front of us, that expression is XOR. And if we want to create XNOR, we can send our expression of XOR 2 times from NAND gate and we can have XNOR because this expression whole dash we want in XNOR and NAND can provide us whole dash. And this one is for homework. You have to provide the same signal 2 times through NAND gate and see what will happen and how we are going to produce XNOR gate. When you are going to create, then only you are able to understand these things. If I'm telling you again and again, maybe you are not able to do. But when you are trying to apply it by your own, you can. That's why something I'm going to provide you as homework. Don't try to see a book. Just try to do it by yourself. If you are not able to do, then again tell me and again try to explain you. But don't copy it from anywhere. Then I'm moving further. I'm going to create XNOR by NOR because I want to give you homework. That's why I am creating it by NOR. I'm not creating XOR by NOR. I'm just creating XNOR by NOR because I want to give some homework also. See what I am going to do. I want to concentrate on this formula because this one is for XNOR. I have to create it by NOR. And see, NOR always provides us plus and whole dash. And now we are having plus with whole dash. We are having everything. But now what we want? We want A dash B B dash A. This much we want. We are having plus and dash. And this we have to create anyhow. We have to create this much. See how we are going to create. We have to concentrate on A dash B. See, A dash in this way. And B. Simple B we want. That's why we are having simple B. We have to circulate it with NOR gate. Then we are getting this. See, A dash plus B whole dash. If we applied De Morgan's law, we are having A dot B dash. What we want, we are having. But in different format, we are having. We are getting this. We want this. Then what we have to do? The same thing again we are going to do. See, I am going to create B dash with normal A. See, normal A. Then we are getting A plus B dash whole dash. By applying De Morgan's law, we are having A dash dot B dash whole dash. When we apply involution, we are getting A dash dot B dash, means this one. And now we are having both this one and this one. And if we are going to send it with NOR gate, what will happen? We have plus with whole dash. Now we are having an expression of XNOR. If we are going to send it 2 times, then we are having XOR. See, this one is homework for you so that you can know how we are going to create all these things. The few things you have to do. Concentrate. Try to do that. And if you have any problem, then do ask from me. Otherwise, goodbye and good luck.